Hello everybody and welcome to the Crown Lounge. So on today's video, we're going to celebrate Star Wars and May 4th. So May the 4th be with you. This drink we're going to make is inspired by the Mandalorian. It is, I found it on this website called Drinks by Jess. I don't know her. But this is called This Is the Way. So if you watch Mandalorian and watch Star Wars, you know what I'm talking about. If you don't, you should watch Mandalorian. Anywho, we're going to start off with a sprig of mint. Give it a good slap. We're going to go a ½ ounce of lime juice, freshly squeezed. A ½ ounce of simple syrup. We're going to go ½ ounce of cranberry juice. And a ½ ounce of grapefruit juice. But you know what though? Let me shake this just to make sure it's good. I'm gonna muddle this a little bit to get the mint good in there. You could do this in a shaker cup if you want, so the ice will act as your muddler. But it's more visual than this. Last, we're going to add 2 ounces of a dark rum. Whatever you like. Next, I'm going to add a little ice. And I'm going to give it a good stir. Got a cup of ice. You should use a rock glass because it's smaller. There's only about 4 ounces of liquid. So anywho. What we got is a Mandalorian-inspired This Is the Way. Cheers. It's a pretty good drink. I thought the grapefruit juice would kind of throw it off, but it all pairs really nice together. But anywho, don't forget to like, follow, and share. This is the way.